Well, happy fall, y'all. It's Bruce Cook again, Ontario Flag and Pole, giving you some tips on maintenance and longevity of the flag, and technically longevity of the pole. So what do you do with your pole in the fall or heading toward winter? Some areas, especially if there's a lot of sand and stuff like that, or farmland, you might want to take the pole apart and clean these interlocking sleeves. They may collect. Most of the rain does clean it free, but if you wanted to be proactive in that sense, again, to clean it all before you put it away for the winter. And also in the fall, for those that aren't running the pole for the winter, I always suggest you pull the pole completely out. Don't drop it for the winter, because if there's any chance you have a water undercurrent, that the water would come up inside the base of the pole, the ice will enlarge and, of course, and expand the pipe. So you don't want to do that. So that's why I always tell people at a show, it's either up or you take it out. For those that are cottagers and they're not there all year round and they shut down their cottage for the winter, they close everything up, do not forget about your pole. Some people might have a tendency to even leave the flag up because they might come back during the year, but I don't suggest that's a good idea, because with the storms we have, you're not there. I suggest you take the flag off, clean it up, fold it down, and store it for the winter, and take the pole out completely as well. So when you store the pole for the winter, what do? Well, as everyone knows, you just lower the pole, bring it all the way down, flag over the shoulder, unhook the flag, try to fold it up nice and neat, and obviously if it's wet, you might want to dry it out before you store it. Next, if you take the solar light off, you're going to store the solar light. You can see mine is quite faded, but in actuality, it still works, oddly enough. But if you're one of those people that want to clean it up, apparently you can use Windex, and I've been told you can use a ceramic floor cleaner stuff. Apparently it's sort of a paste and takes it off, and a wood stove cleaner apparently. And so some things to think about if you want to clean up the panels. Next, we just take the pole out, and once again you just clean some of this up, probably because of the sand and everything, or dirt that accumulates. You want to take care of that. Then lastly, you want to take the flash collar off. You want to store that. You might want to clean that as well, because it gets a bit dirty. And maybe check inside the hole and see if there's any, take a hose and kind of blow it out. Maybe you want to do that. And last but not least, because there's nothing worse in the spring when you come back in the spring and there's junk inside the hole. Well, we provide the red cap, so make sure that does not happen. Just like so. Thanks for watching.